Hello everyone, welcome to COSN Educational Services. Today we'll see the half-yearly examination question paper of Class 10, Subject Code 402 Information Technology. This question paper consists of 30 questions in two sections, Section A and Section B. Section A has objective type questions, whereas Section B contains subjective type questions. Section A, objective type questions. In this, total 3 parts are there. Part 1. Answer any 4 out of the given 6 questions. First, which of the following is a quality of self-confident person? Answer is committed. Dressing and grooming are important because they help us to look. Answer is smart, untidy and shabby. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a mobile operating system? Answer Linux. An operating system in which commands can be entered by clicking or double clicking or right clicking a mouse is? Answer GUI based. The money used to start a business is called? Answer capital. Which of the following social problems are tackled by social entrepreneurs? Answer is low reach of quality education, unemployment, child labor. Part 2. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. Which of the following can be used to access a style menu? Answer is F11 function key, sidebar menu, formatting toolbar. Which of the following gives the status of your document like page numbers, number of pages? Answer is status bar. Image toolbar does not provide a tool for? Answer is copying. The text or image which appears faintly in the background of a page is called? Answer is watermark. Which of the following tabs is by default active when the table of contents, entries or bibliography dialog box is opened? Answer is type. What is the file extension of LibreOffice Word document? Answer is .odt. Part 3. Answer any 5 out of the given 6 questions. Which of the following is the shortcut key to open the templates dialog box? Answer is Shift plus Control plus N. Which of the following is the shortest key to select the entire document? Answer is Ctrl plus A. Which of the following can be added in the background of table of contents in LibreOffice Writer? Answer is color and graphic. What is style template in LibreOffice Writer? Answer is predetermined form and mode of document file. Which of the following is not the correct file extension for an image file? Answer is ODT. Next. Next, we'll see the section B, that is of subjective type questions. In this also total 3 subparts are there. Part 1. Answer any 2 out of the given 4 questions. Answer each question in 20 to 30 words. Part 2. Answer any 4 out of the given 6 questions in 20 to 30 words each. Part 3. Answer any one out of the given 2 questions, each 50 to 80 words. Section B answers are given below, Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. Please go through the full video. These answers will be helpful for your board exam preparation. Thank you all.